Well, it's a beautiful spring morning and I'm out here in the nursery looking at some of the little garden trees that we ship out to garden centres all over the northeast and mid-Atlantic. And I want to show you this really very special variety. This is called Malus Royal Raindrops. And just look how beautiful it looks now in springtime. Crab apples make fantastic garden trees. They don't grow too big. They put on beautiful color, as you see, and then they often carry ornamental little crab apples too. But this particular variety, as you see, is really something, in my opinion, that's very special. When you look at it now in springtime, you'll see that it starts out with buds that are a bright red magenta color. Then when they open, just look at these gorgeous flowers and how they have this lovely lighter center to each of the petals. They flower for really quite a few weeks, and then afterwards, just look what happens with this variety. It's got purplish foliage as well. So you've got colored flowers in springtime, purpley foliage when the flowers go over, and then later on into the latter part of the summer, going into the autumn, and then persisting well into the winter too, they carry little red crab apples, all on a tree that only grows about 15 to 20 foot high by about 10 to 12, maybe 12, 15 foot wide, with a more upright habit rather than a wider spreading habit. And as you see here at Overdevest, we put a lot of effort into growing trees that have a nice straight stem and beautiful heads on them. And we also grow them with a special technique that means they have very fibrous root systems. They don't have roots that spread around inside the pot and are likely to become unstable later in life. Now, what's interesting about this variety, as well as all those beautiful attributes that I just mentioned, this is a variety that has outstanding disease resistance. Crab apples are fantastic garden trees, but unfortunately some of the older varieties tend to be plagued with apple scab and a disease called fire blight. This variety is resistant to both of them, more than that, highly resistant to both of them. It was developed by Keith Warren at J. Frank Smith's company in Oregon. He started out in 1990 to breed superior apple varieties, crab apple varieties. He sowed his seeds in 1994, and he noticed amongst hundreds of green seedlings there were 3 that had this purplish foliage on it. He selected one of those 3 and found out later on as it developed that it had this superior disease resistance as well as outstanding ornamental characteristics, and hey presto, we've now got Malus Royal Raindrops, a fantastic little garden tree that I think you will enjoy growing in your garden, and it will give you absolutely gorgeous color for many years to come.